Oh, way to go. Tito Aru, the reason why. Moving up by the it's Ship Perfect. Also moving up is the outstanding favorite, number 3, Grace Giver. It's Ship Perfect by some 2 lines, followed by Grace Giver in second. Tito Aru racing in third, running in fourth by about 2 lines, Conqueror's Magic. Golden Boss alongside King Rick, the reason why. Don Vicente, rather entry number 4, rather number 2, Sebi Room, and number 4, Jacqueline's Diamond. Rounding the far turn, number 1, it's Ship Perfect. Then here comes Grace Giver in second. Conqueror's Magic also rushing up King Rick. Tito Aru, the reason why. As they race the final corner, it's Ship Perfect, Grace Giver, Conqueror's Magic by the rail. As they race the last 200, Grace Giver, Conqueror's Magic, King Rick on the further outside. The favorite Grace Giver, Conqueror's Magic, King Rick on the further outside. Grace Giver, King Rick on the outside. And nearing the finish line, the favorite Grace Giver, King Rick, Conqueror's Magic, the reason why. And number 2, Sebiorum Pentafecta.
39572.